In the rapidly developing modern production environment, packaging efficiency and quality are crucial to enterprises. Today, we will introduce you to a packaging equipment that combines intelligence and efficiency, automatic granule packing machine. This machine is specially designed for granular nuts and mixed nuts, helping your production line to reach a new level of intelligence and efficiency. This machine has multiple functions and uses a high-precision, multi-head weigher system to quickly and accurately package granular materials such as candy, nuts, dates, etc. Multiple hoppers work simultaneously to accurately weigh each granular material, ensuring high efficiency and high accuracy during the packaging process. It can also be used for multiple purposes to meet different packaging needs and greatly improve product packaging efficiency. In addition, in order to achieve high-precision temperature control, the equipment is equipped with an independent temperature control system that can accurately adjust the sealing temperature to ensure that the seal of each packaging bag is both beautiful and smooth, avoid product leakage, and ensure the reliability of the sealing effect. Intelligent control is one of the core advantages of this packaging machine. The equipment is equipped with a high-end PLC control system and a touch-screen operating interface. And with the servo motor film pulling technology, it ensures full automation of the packaging process, simple operation, and high reliability. In order to simplify the operation, the equipment adopts a double belt film pulling system. Through the color code control system, users can automatically adjust the film stretching and cutting through the touch screen, avoiding errors caused by manual adjustment and greatly improving the operating efficiency. From automatic feeding to fast filling to precision sealing, this machine ensures smoothness and efficiency in every step. It can quickly complete the entire packaging process and greatly improve the work efficiency of the production line. We are able to provide customized services. Our equipment can be tailored to the specific needs of different food and pharmaceutical products to ensure that they have the best adaptability in the production process. Whether you are packaging nuts, candies, or pharmaceutical granules, our equipment can provide a perfect solution. Our packaging machine is your best choice. Contact us to learn more about automatic granule packaging machine.